know it's been a while, but your girl is back. The last couple of days was very stressful with TikTok gone. CapCut wasn't working. I couldn't edit no videos or nothing like that. Yeah, I'm here. And I know CapCut was only gone for like 3 days, so they ain't even no excuse why I wasn't here. But I'm back. Your girl is back. It's a new year, I'm back. That's all I can say. So I just came here to tell y'all really about this flat iron that I found. Y'all know I'm always finding flat irons. I'm always switching up the flat irons that I use. Like, I don't know. I think I have like an obsession with flat irons, maybe. I don't know. But I did find this flat iron on Amazon, and I believe it was like $20. It comes in rose gold and black. It curls really well. I want to say it's a 3/10 flat iron. Not super, super thin, because sometimes when the flat iron is too thin, when you're looking for like a certain curl, it just doesn't do it. But this one has been my, like, let me pull this out and curl flat iron, like, for probably like the last 2 weeks in the salon. So I'm just showing y'all how it works. I did mow her hair, of course, with Main Life Collection, Main Coconut Foam, and there's a Main Mint Foam as well. I will have everything linked in the description box below for you guys to grab you one. Check it out. The mint does come in a travel size in case you just want to try it out, or you're traveling and whatever, And I did want to speed this video up, letting y'all see in real time how to do these little curls, because I get so many people like, oh, I can't curl it, I don't know how to do it. So here's a free class, none sped up. Rewind it, stop it, start it over again. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all want to see from me. And also, I haven't done a Q&A video in like 2 years. So y'all ask me some questions. If you shy, you don't want people to know what you asked me, you can inbox me on Instagram or TikTok, same name, The Master Stylist. And I'm gonna film a Q&A video. It'll be before the month is out for sure. So go ahead and ask away. Whether it's hair related or whatever. If it's something that I'm not gonna answer, I'm just not gonna answer it. But just drop y'all questions. Oh, and speaking of TikTok, how was y'all while we was down for them 12 hours? Because, honey, when I tell y'all I was deleting people left and right, because y'all is something else. People saying we need to get real jobs, and that's good for us and all that. Like, it don't take all day and all night to record and edit videos. Like, what do y'all think? And if you're not one of the people, I'm not necessarily saying to you, I'm just saying y'all as in them. But, like, people was really showing their true colors. For real, like those 12 hours TikTok was down, people really showed their hand.
True haters.
Like, for real. Like, I never seen so many people was like happy for somebody's possible downfall. Like, but y'all know I still had y'all on YouTube, so I was good. But it was just still, it was the fact that there's some people who TikTok is their main source of income. So that's like losing your job. So what was funny about that? I don't understand. And then people were saying, oh, if you had a real job. Well, I mean, anybody can lose their job. Your regular job can fire you. So that didn't make no sense to me. Like anybody, unless you the boss, can lose your job. And even if you the boss, something can happen. You could break your hand or something. Like, you know what I mean? So it's just like, to prey on somebody's downfall and be excited about that was like giving very much weird vibes. And this is Main Life Collection wax stick. I'll have the link in the description box for that as well. You need that wax stick to lay down that hair, so when you go to sleep at night, your hair will still be in place around your hairline. This is the finished product. Y'all know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Ring that bell to get notified. And I'll see you guys again for the next video.
Chill!